Product managers usually have no problem identifying important product initiatives. What's more difficult is connecting that work to business impact. I'm sure it's something you think about a lot, but it's easy to forget as you get into the actual work. Let's say you need to improve your product's in-app onboarding experience. If you take a step back, what business goal is this work in service of? It's likely retention. If you can't onboard and get users to value quickly, the likelihood they keep using your tool is low. The best way to have an impact on your business is to flip this thinking. Start with the strategic priority, which in this case is increasing retention. Then you can define the product priorities that will lead to that outcome. This is why the very first step in the product management lifecycle is to define the business outcome you're trying to achieve. It'll shape your work throughout the rest of the lifecycle. Here are 3 examples to help make this more tangible. As I mentioned, one common business outcome that product leaders focus on is to increase retention. We all know that it costs significantly more to acquire a new customer than it does to retain and grow the customers you already have. This is often the reason product managers build with retention in mind. What features and functionality can you add to the product that will provide value to users and keep them around? Another outcome is to reduce costs. One area where product managers can have a big impact is lowering the cost to build and support products. This could mean improving the overall user experience to reduce support tickets and time to learn, or building features that enable users to self-serve or accomplish tasks easier. These efforts lessen the burden on a company's support team and free up resources for higher priority work. It reduces manual human costs with product-led productivity. Finally, you might aim to gain market share. If your company is looking to move into a new market or needs to further differentiate from competitors, this could be an outcome the product team is focused on, whether it requires improving existing functionality or building new industry-leading capabilities. Let's say your current strategic focus as a business is reducing churn. This is an objective that you can load up into the lifecycle. It will focus your discovery efforts, change how you validate solutions, inform the launch, and define the metrics you use to evaluate. And if this is all done effectively, it'll also help ensure that you actually impact your churn rate. With that covered, you're ready to jump into the product management lifecycle in more depth.